Did you know that ancient Persian warriors were so scary that enemies thought they couldn't die? For 200 years, Persia had an elite army called the 10,000 Immortals. But here's the crazy part, they weren't actually immortal. When these warriors went into battle, something magical seemed to happen. If one soldier fell, another would instantly appear to take his place. The enemy would kill an immortal, look away for a second, and suddenly there was another warrior standing right there. Enemy armies were terrified. They thought they were fighting supernatural beings who could come back from the dead. Some soldiers would run away in fear, believing they were cursed. But the truth was much simpler and way more clever. The Persians had created the world's most organized military system. They always kept extra trained soldiers waiting nearby. The moment one immortal died, a replacement would quickly step into formation. It wasn't magic, it was brilliant planning. The Persians have figured out that sometimes the best weapon isn't a sword or spear, but making your enemy think you're unstoppable.